My name is Jack Kieran from SkipperBud's at North Point. What I'm going to show you today is a 2020 54 Cruisers that's on brokerage. The seller's excited to sell it, and I'm excited to show it to you. So let me go through a couple of things. First of all, I'm standing on a hydraulic platform. When you go down, you have stairs going up. Second of all, there's a large trunk here that opens up to put all your goods, your life jackets, your fenders, lines, things such as that. One of the most important things back here happens to be this American flag right here. Built in America, easy to service, 3 hours away, America. Now we're in the aft cockpit of the boat. You're going to see you have a massive stern seat with seating for 6 and a big table here. As we look forward, we find that we have 2 bar stools, a large opening. This goes up and down. And then behind us over here, we also have a grill and an ice maker. So from this position, I get to ask a couple of my favorite questions. Do you want it shaken, stirred, and how do you want it done? Before we go inside the cabin, I'd also like to point out that we have a stern driving station here. With this, you've got the engines, and you've got dynamic positioning, so you can hold position from this as well as the helm. It's nice that it's on the port side of the boat, so when you're parking on the port side, you've got good visibility because in the cabin, it's on the starboard side. Welcome to the galley. This particular 54 features a refrigerator, a freezer. Behind us over here, we have another refrigerator and then a dishwasher. Again, this feeds off to the aft cockpit as well as forward. 2 sinks, 2 burner stove, and a convection oven. Now we're in the salon, which features a starboard side couch with a retractable television that comes up from over here. From that, we go over to a dinette sitting on the port side with room for at least 4 people here. What I've done here is folded up the table. So now more of a cocktail table with a large area for people to move around easily, slide around, makes it fantastic for entertaining. Across from this is the helm. Large 2-person helm seat, sitting or standing. And for people my height, we have a step, allows easier access for visibility. From the helm, I've got 2 Garmin screens. Cruisers refers to this as a glass cockpit because it's all flush. With these screens, I've got all the engine diagnostics, I've got the chart plotting abilities, I've got radar, all interchangeable between the 2 screens. We also have the screen that's going to tell us that our Seakeeper is on and working. That's a gyro stabilizing system. We have a chain counter for the windlass. We have lights, windshield wiper, retractable sunroof. Then from there, we move to the helm area where we've got the driving station, where we've got our normal throttles. But in addition to that, we've got a joystick that also has the ability to put the autopilot on it and dynamic positioning. DPS is what they call it. You push a button and the boat will hold position. After we come down the 5 stairs, we have a wonderful landing area with a lot of natural light coming in. Here we've got a nice food setup area, as well as a wine chiller or whatever alcohol you wish to have in there. This is the guest stateroom that features an upper and lower bunk, as well as a television. And then from here, you go back out here and you've got a Jack and Jill entrance to the second head and shower. This is the guest head, featuring a vanity and a vacuum flush head. From here, we can move through this door into the VIP stateroom. VIP stateroom offers a large bed, lots of headroom, hanging closets, their own air conditioning system, their own sound system, and a television. And from here, you enter the shower, which is a rainfall shower. Now we're in the master stateroom. Master stateroom offers a walk-around bed, storage on each side. From here, we have a vanity, so somebody like myself can work on their hair in the morning. We have a washer-dryer combo. As to be expected, a flat screen television. And then a lot of room around here. Lots of natural lighting, lots of space, lots of comfort. Now I'm standing in the master stateroom shower that again features a rainfall shower and then a nice vanity and head for the master stateroom. Before we leave the master stateroom, I want to show you the walk-in closet. And the bow is made for fun. All kinds of space, lounging for a couple people, table goes up and down. Fantastic place to spend the afternoon. Welcome to the engine room on this 54 Cruisers. On each side of me are two IPS 800s, which each put out 600 horsepower. We've got spare props, we've got a generator. As I mentioned earlier, we also have a Seakeeper stabilizing system. As you will see, the headroom on this is fantastic. Nobody builds a better bilge than what Cruisers does. Thank you for taking the time to look at this 2020 54 Cruisers. It's available now, sitting in one of our sales slips at North Point Marina, SkipperBud's. Thank you again, and congratulations on your new boat.